Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to paint this colorful parrot called the Rainbow Lorikeet. This species is found in Australia, Bali, New Guinea, and some other Australisian countries. It lives in rainforest. And I like this type of trees. I don't know what it is called, but it looks very interesting. So I'm going to give it a try. I've bought this new blue that I found in the stationery shop, and this is called the sky blue. I think the color is very, very vivid. It looks chemical and like Western watercolor. And as compared to this is the traditional natural blue that I've always used. And I'm going to show you what the differences are. And this is what it looks like. It's more subtle and earthy tone. The next thing I'm gonna do is to see if I can mix the green color. So take some yellow first and then get some blue and see what the color looks like. I think this is more bright turquoise than green. Now I'm gonna show you the traditional yellow color and blue color to get the green that I always paint. So you can mix it to get this type of nice green shades. If you added a bit more blue, then it's a bit darker. This is the type of green that I would use for painting leaves, plants, or the green birds. I'm going to try one more time and see if I can use more yellow to mix a green color with the sky blue. So let's see. No, still couldn't get this type of green. Now I'm going to start with the back of this colorful parrot, and it's in green color, and it is a mix of yellow and the traditional blue color. This is the first time I paint this colorful parrot, so I'm gonna be a bit more conservative and mix some sky blue with yellow to get this brighter bluish green turquoise color. The red beak is the feature of this type of parrot. The upper chest is meant to be orange color, and then the lower belly is blue, but I'll just use the orange color for the chest and leave the belly like this instead of trying to fill it with the blue color. And I'm going to use ink and a big brush to paint these tropical rainforest plants. Traditional Chinese paintings are soft and subtle. We tend not to use vibrant color just because I think that traditionally when we started with the natural materials, they are not that bright and vibrant, and we just keep it that way. If you're using the tube forms, the colors are a lot more vibrant than the traditional color that I'm using. I bought this new blue just because I wanted to see what it looks like, and it's for a demonstration purpose. I think this bluish green is great for kingfisher, which I've painted before with the regular traditional blue color that I use. But I'm going to paint more in the future, then I'll try this color. And now I'm going to paint the strings of beads that drapes down the tree. I don't know what's the name of this type of tree is called, but then the beads are pretty interesting. Basically, I just mix some green color in various shades and add a bit of orange color at the tip. This is going to be a bit repetitive, so I'm fast forwarding this. Now I'm painting another clusters of string beads on the other side. I like the variations when you paint, so I use a bit more orange color, and the green tone is a bit different on this side, but it really doesn't matter. I mean, it's as long as there is variation and it's not that symmetrical, and that will be okay, I think. And I think this painting is as colorful as it is, and I'm not gonna add more color to it because that will be too much. I think I'm gonna finish this off with the feet and the eyes. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell notification button. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any comments, please leave the message below, and I read everything and I'll get back to you. Thank you.